अरुण अरुण नहीं, माइक नहीं देना था अभी. Don't cover footage here. Come. It's media versus the fans, ladies and gentlemen. For the first time, मुंबई के सबसे बड़े मल्टीप्लेक्स में बोले तो PVRR में. So what we'll do is media on the left and fans on the right. Come. और मैं गाना गाऊंगा. Sorry. मुंह छुपाने जैसे ही काम किया है तुमने. अच्छा किया, भाग गए तुम. Can we have the music one more time, please? ये तो अलग बैटल चल रही है भाई. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shukriya. Thank you so much. Thank you. मुझे
बाद में अकेले में मिलना.
तब सटकेगी भी और रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा. एनटीआर जूनियर साहब, जय एनटीआर.
Thank you.
What do you have to say about this response? और सर ऐसा हिंदी फिल्मों में सर स्वागत करने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मैं ले सकता हूँ. I'll take that opportunity of welcoming you here. So what do you have to say, sir?
Well, first of all, thank you so much. As I call him Jakkana, yaar. I can't call him Rajmouli. You know, for me, it's Jakkana always. So Jakkana is this great sculptor. So I don't know, you know, when we started our relationship together a few years ago, I don't know, Jakkana just stuck in my head, and it was only Jakkana for then, from then. But yeah, you know, as I said, you know, when such trailers come out, you just want to listen to the response rather than say anything about it. And it's my first interaction with the media here. So nervous, very nervous. Yeah, first interaction with them. Very nervous, makes me feel I've gone back 20 years again in the industry. Well, looking forward. Thank you so much.
And one last small question to Junior NTR sir, because this is the first time. Big fan. Jai Lava Kusa, Janata Garage are two of my favorite movies.
Thank you so much.
So I just wanted to ask, when you're doing a Rajamouli film, people know that you have to not dedicate dates, you have to dedicate years to that movie. It is
Basically dedicating your whole lifetime.
Yes. So between Aravinda Sameta and then now this is coming RRR, how many movies that you were offered and you had to let it go by because you know this is too special?
I was offered only one movie, Triple R. Do you think even someone would even dare come up and ask for your dates when Rajamouli is doing a movie? Impossible.
Somebody may have guts.
नहीं वैसा नहीं होता है यार. You know, it's like you just have to. I mean, नहीं. You know, this doesn't happen in our industry when you're working for a movie with Jakkana. You're there. You know you're in there for a long time, and you have to accept it. The sooner you accept, the better it is.
Alia ji, on your left. Hi. On your left. Hi. आलिया जी, आजकल का जो सबसे ट्रेंडिंग अल्फाबेट है वो है आर. सो आपकी भी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़े आर हैं, तो आप मानती हैं कि आर बहुत लकी फैक्टर है आपके लिए?
I'm stumped. मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है. I'm trying to be intelligent right now. I don't have a good answer. G. R is a lovely alphabet, but so is A. Should I tell them the true story? तो एक्चुअली स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज आई बम्प्ड इनटू राजामौली सर at the airport. He was just coming back from something, and I was going to Hyderabad for a shoot, and I said, "Sir, I want to work with you." And he said, you know, he was very gracious and said, "Yes, I would love to work with you as well." I said, "Sir, I'll do anything. Just give me a part in your film. I want to work with you." It was a casual meeting. We just, you know, it just happened. And at the end of that, he said, "Actually, I do have something, but I'm not sure. I wasn't sure whether I should approach you. I'm not sure about your timeline." And I said, I couldn't believe my luck, firstly. I couldn't believe that there was actually something for me. I said, "Sir, whatever it is, I'll come, I'll meet you." And then, of course, it became more legitimate. We did a Zoom call. Then I went to Hyderabad, and Sir took me through the, you know, the film. And as I said, I would do, you know, walk-on part on Sir's film because just being a part of his vision and his cinema is, like I said, a dream come true for me. But my reaction was purely like, and he was like, he was speaking about the character earlier. He said, "It's very important for me that you match the character because Sita is very, very loved. And the representation of, you know, the way you portray her on screen, your look, the way you speak, your energy, everything has to be up to the mark because, you know, I have to live up to the audience's visualization and characterization that they already have of her." So I took that very, very seriously, and I worked for a year on my lines. I said, "So I won't let you down." I think the most scary part was I had to speak in Telugu. I think I managed.
సో
హలో రాజమౌళి గారు
Sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినందుకు. ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్న గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ముంబైకి వచ్చినందుకు. నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మీ అన్నగారు ఎన్టీఆర్ అన్న గారు మీకే మీకు బిగ్గెస్ట్ డిఫికల్టీ ఎప్పుడు అనిపించింది సార్ షూటింగ్లోన, అంటే ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్ షూటింగ్లోన?
Okay, his question was.
I understood the question. What was the biggest difficulty while shooting the film RRR? I've understood. Let me tell you, on set, before you answer that question, NTR and Ram Charan were always talking to each other in Telugu in front of me. And I was always looking like one tennis ball, left, right, center, waiting for somebody to translate it to me. Now I'll start
No
translating.
way.
Yeah.
No.
You all were
There were
always-
so many times we really felt that, you know what, we should not talk in Telugu and make sure we speak in English or Hindi so that Alia understands what we're talking about.
No, you all were purposely
Nahin,
trying to
that
trouble.
maybe we were rehearsing our lines or dialogues or whatever. But yeah, every part of shooting for Triple R was really demanded a lot from us as actors, as individuals. We really had to put in our heart and soul for it because that man there has put in that much of belief in us, so we'll have to deliver it. We had to. So every part of shooting for Triple R was really difficult, especially the action sequences were, oh my God, they were torturous.
Sir,
థ్యాంక్ యూ
yeah.
సో మచ్ సార్.
Who's your left? Sir? Yeah.
Just a sec. He wants to complete. Just a sec.
Okay.
I'll come to you. Please.
సార్ మేము మిస్ అవుతున్నాం సార్ రామ్ చరణ్ గారు ఇక్కడ రాలేనందుకు.
మేము కూడా చాలా మిస్ అవుతున్నాం. అక్కడ దెర్ వాజ్ పూజ, సడన్ పూజ ఇన్ ద వెడ్డింగ్ సెరమనీ విచ్ హీ హ్యాడ్ టు అటెండ్ టు. సో we really tried until the last minute to bring him in, but you know how the pujaris are. You know, so, yeah.
मैम
We have to
आलिया
obey
भट्ट जी,
them.
मैम एक डायलॉग तेलुगु में बोल सकते हो क्या? एनटीआर सर ने अभी
No, హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చినప్పుడు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడదాం.
Thank you so much. Yes, please.
నెక్స్ట్ ప్లీజ్.
Yeah. Sir, NTR, sir.
Yes.
So, basically, the hook step what we are saying currently, Natu. The step has been very much famous in like short period of time. There has been more than 10,000 reels are saying up. There are more hits on it where you see more 10 lakhs of views and likes are there on your complete one that hook step in very short period of time. I just want to know how much time it took for you to practice that and the bond, which because that's required a kind of tuning with the step. Was it so easy or tough?
It was actually a very easy step. I'm not trying to tell you it's a very tough step. A very easy step, yeah. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's it. It's actually very easy. But I don't know. It's him who's made it feel very tough. we were, you know, because of the pandemic, we couldn't shoot here in India. So he took us all the way to Kiev in Ukraine and tortured us there. I mean, 18 takes for that step. Purely because he wanted us to, you know, like, he would sit in front of the monitor and step freeze the step so that the coordination, the sync between me and Charan is like on dot. I mean, how can you do it? I went up to him and said, see, both of us have different styles of dancing. So as a director, bring that style together. He's like, no. I said, it is my style.
Because it was Rajmouli sir's style, na? It was his
Yeah,
idea.
absolutely. So every day, well, I don't know, yeah, you know, even the weather was so, you know, like we were very unlucky. The sun would set at 8 in the night and would rise at 6 in the morning. So 8 ke baad, 9 baje tak, he would make us go through the rehearsal, again start off at 6 in the morning. So I was like, why did we do these rehearsals when you're automatically any which way is going to take 20 takes there?
Okay, Rajmouli sir,
It was
one more question.
torturous.
Thank you so much for this wonderful trailer. Each frame of it is sure treat to watch. I'm just waiting. मेरा सवाल अजय देवगन और एनटीआर से है कि आप दोनों बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार्स हो, दोनों का अपना एक ऑरा है, दोनों का अपना एक स्टाइल है. आप दोनों का एक दूसरे के साथ काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? और साथ ही साथ मैं चाहूंगी कि अजय देवगन आता माजी सटकली बोले और एनटीआर जी उसे कॉपी करें और ये एक परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होगा जब फैंस जाकर के आप दोनों को साथ में देखेंगे.
First of all, I would just like to tell you something.
Don't tell anything. Please.
I mean, it's please do not even compare me with Ajay sir for his seniority, for a man he is. We were kids. We grew up watching his films, and he was our very own action superstar then and even now. So I still remember his entry in Phul Aur Khante, you know, where he was standing on top of a bike, and I was like, yaar, aisa kaise ho sakta hai, yaar, can I do it? And my mom was like, no. This is movie and it happens only in movies. This doesn't happen in real life. I mean, like, see, I've watched my grandfather's films, my uncle's films. You know, we've watched a lot of films, but that entry for me was like crazy. So please, you know, when I worked with him, with Ajay sir, it was like working with a guru. I mean, like we didn't have the opportunity to share screen space with him, but the small opportunity I had to go and like visit the sets when he was working, it really felt very, you know, it was, you know, I cherished it a lot. You know, seeing such a gentleman and that's about it for me. That's my feeling.
जैसा कि इन्होंने कहा, anyways, thank you for making me feel so old.
I was expecting that.
But हाँ, हमारा काम स्क्रीन पे हम साथ में नहीं है फिल्म में, but शूटिंग के वक्त इन्होंने विजिट किया था, and it was we had a great time. We had lunch together, and it was lovely.
Atamaji Satakli.
साथ में नहीं, I'll say you repeat. Atamaji Satakli, I did this.
Atamaji Satakli. That's from Singham, right?
ठीक है. जयंती सर कटप्पा. इतनी बड़ी फिल्म और ट्रेलर बहुत अमेजिंग, बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग लग रहा है. जयंती सर, आपसे सवाल है, इतनी बड़ी टीम का हिस्सा होना, इतने बड़े प्रोजेक्ट के पीछे बैकअप के लिए खड़े रहना, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? और जिस तरह का रेस्पॉन्स आज मिल रहा है ट्रेलर को, डू यू थिंक हाफ द बैटल इज वॉन?
सबसे पहले तो राजामौली जी की फिल्म मतलब सोचना ही नहीं था, लेकिन जैसे इन्होंने बोला लैंग्वेज और बैरियर नहीं होता, मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ, क्योंकि धनया जी प्रोड्यूसर हैं और इनको हिंदी नहीं आती, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. तो मतलब हम लोग नंबर पे ही पेपर पे लिखते थे और एक दूसरे को समझते थे कि हम राजामौली जी तक कैसे भी करके कन्विंस करके ये मुझे इस फिल्म का हिस्सा बनाएंगे. तो मुझे कोई ऐसा ये नहीं था कि और दूसरा इनकी फिल्म जो हमें हमारे पार्टनर हैं संजय जी, अमिताभ जी, जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं पेन मरुधर, और हम लोग की टीम ये पहली फिल्म होगी जो हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखने मिलेगी. कभी पार्टनरशिप नहीं होती कि जी पे आने वाली फिल्म स्टार पे नहीं दिखती, तो ये पहली फिल्म होगी कि जो हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे देखने मिलेगी.